I'm here today to show you how to do the German twisted cast on, which is also known as the old Norwegian cast on. So first thing I'm going to do is put my working yarn up over the top of the needle with my tail toward me, and then I just give that a little twist. And then I would act as if I'm doing the long tail cast on, but I would go under the thumb, go all the way to the back, and come back down through the center, grab my working yarn, and bring it right back through the hole that I started from. Let me show you that a few more times. Under, through the back, down through the center, under, bring it back through, and come on out and tighten it up. So I'm just going to do a few more stitches of this so you can see how I do this cast on. And it looks like this on the bottom. And I'm going to be showing you on this baby blanket that I have here. It's the old Norwegian cast on with an Icelandic bind off, which I'm going to show you how to do next. And they're a good match for each other. You can't really tell which one's which. So that is how you do an old Norwegian cast on.